Okay, today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of monitoring your electric motors. Okay, I want to talk to you right quick about electric motors in your facility. The data plate provides a lot of helpful information. You'll see this one is a class H, which means the maximum operating temperature is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can see pump 2 here has an operating temperature of 117 degrees, so we're below that 180 degree maximum. However, pump 1, you can see we're operating at 190 degrees. So that's 10 degrees above that maximum operating temperature allowance. What I found is that the VFDs that control our water pumps, specifically the motors obviously, were set differently. And that's why that second water pump, pump number 1, was operating at a higher temperature than pump number 2. So it's important to look for things like proper alignment of the coupler between the motor and the pump. But you also want to monitor the temperature of your motors, because if a motor overheats, the insulation overheats and starts to melt or fail, you can short out your electric motor and your motor will die. And that can be a very costly, time-consuming replacement. You also want to monitor vibration if you can. Monit makes these great wireless sensors, easy to install, easy to program. We use them in our facility. This is not a paid promotion for them. I'm just telling you what works for us. I wanted to tell you about this Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook, now available on Amazon. It has common facilities documents, signage, reference material, shop equipment drawings, and more. This is a great training aid for your technicians or a resource guide. It's available on Amazon in ebook format as well as paperbook format. And there's also a facilities maintenance store where you can buy hats, mugs, and weatherproof stickers for your facility. The link for the book and for this facilities maintenance store is in the video description below. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.